Hey everyone, this is Ben and thank you for joining us on this episode of the Semper Gumby channel, Off-Grid Living. Well, it's been about 5 to 6 months now since I've obtained this property. And in that amount of time, we have cleared the land, we took down some trees, did some grading, put down a gravel driveway to the house, installed, had a cabin delivered, and now, as you can see in the back of me, I've been working on getting the interior ready, or the walls. I've got some red cedar planks with some tin, and this right here next to me is my new wood burning stove, which has been incredible. And you know, now with winter coming, this is going to play a vital role in off-grid living. Many of you have asked, what will I be using to power this cabin up, or what my plans are, how I'm going to power this cabin up. I have teamed up with LiTime not only to power up the management system in Sarge, my 2022 Tacoma, and I'll show you that here in just a second. Now, with the holiday season upon us, there are a lot of sales going on, but this sale from LiTime is going to blow you out of the water. From November 20th to December 1st, LiTime is blowing out prices on their website at litime.com up to 60% off. That's right, 60%, 60. And you know, you also get the 30-day price protection as well. Now here's the special perk. The first 30 orders on Black Friday, which is November 24th, and Cyber Monday, December 2nd, will receive an extra 15% off. That's right, an extra 15% off. And I will put all the links and descriptions in the box below, but the first 30 orders. So don't slack. Get on their website and shop early for the best prices. So let's go check out some of the products that I will be using here at the Off-Grid Cabin thanks to LiTime. Now, the Complex battery and the LiTime solar inverter will be powering up items such as my refrigerator, my washer and dryer, my heater, my water pump, television, and other electronic devices here at the cabin. The LiTime 5000 watt inverter is equipped with 2 charging modes, a PV only and a hybrid mode, PV priority. So when the main power is shut off from the load, it maintains a uninterrupted power supply, or UPS function. And this inverter is a 48 volt support up to 6 units in parallel. That's right, delivering maximum output, and I'll show you the Complex batteries in just a second. This right here is LiTime's revolutionary 48 volt, or also 51.2 volt, 100 amp hour LiFePO 4 stacked lithium battery. Now, just to give you an idea of how much power one of these batteries produces with 51.2 or 48 volts, take a standard 12.8 volt battery, 100 amp hours. You would need 4 of those to match the power of one of these Complex Edition batteries. They feature premium EV grade technology cells, or LiPo 4 lithium iron phosphate cells, and the latest BMS technology, which stands for Battery Management System. It ensures both safety and longevity, boasting a lifespan for over a decade. But that's not all, because LiTime has taken this to a new level, and with an intelligent touchscreen and LED indicators. So each battery does have an awesome LED colored screen. Once you power it up, it's all touchscreen, and you can do everything from the status of the battery, voltage. You can change the settings, the protocols. I mean, it's just loaded with functions on the menu here. Now, the LED indicators are granting you real-time viewing and control right at your fingertips. Experience a new level of convenience and performance with LiTime's battery. Now, this thing is not a light battery. It's close to 100 pounds. So when you mount these, if you decide to get 1, 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6, you must find something strong enough if you're going to stack these batteries. Now, I just had a server rack built that can withstand the weight of these 3 batteries. Now, this thing puts out unbelievable power. But if I had a huge house, you could put up to 16 of these batteries in parallel to eliminate any kind of power shortage or go off the grid. Now, each battery delivers 5.12 kilowatts of energy. So if you had 16 batteries on there, you would have, I mean, this thing would unleash a colossal 81.92 kilowatt hours of battery. And that's truly gigantic energy capacity that supports any energy demands. Now let's get to this battery right here. Now, if you have an RV, a overlanding rig, or you do a lot of dispersed camping or out in the outdoors, this right here would be a perfect battery for your application. This is the LiTime's lithium iron phosphate, or LiFePO4 12.8 230 amp hour plus battery. Now, it has smart Bluetooth 5.0. Whether you're camping in an RV, you can monitor this battery status anytime from your phone. So you don't need to manually come out here, inspect it, avoiding unexpected shutdowns or knowing where your battery levels are. Now, this also comes with a low temp protection smart cutoff. It activates when charging less than 0 degrees for discharging and less than -4 degrees, preventing extending battery life, keeping your battery in perfect condition. Now, you can also expand these batteries to 47.1 kilowatt hours if you have 16 of these. 16 is the max batteries for all of these systems right here, and that's a lot of batteries. It does have multiple BMS, or battery management system protection, as well. It does come with 20 plus safety features, and it is IP65, so you can put this on your boat, your RV. It can get wet and dust-proof and waterproof from salt spray and any kind of dirt resistance. For a 230 amp hour battery, this thing is almost 20 inches in length, 6.7 inches thick, and only 9.5 inches tall. And it only weighs 46 pounds. That's right, 46 pounds for a 230 amp hour battery, which is pretty amazing. But this will go in Sarge, where I can switch back from the 100 amp hour I have in there. But this will be used as a backup in case, like today, there is no sun and my solar power panels on Sarge are not charging right now. But I have a full 230 amp hour battery, which I will take camping and use this to supplement the system as well. But because of the small size and width and weight, this is perfect for your RV, boat, or your overlanding rig. There are 4 ways you can recharge this battery. One of them is using a 14.6 or 40 amp LiTime battery charger. Another way is using a solar power panel or panels and a MPPT controller, and you can have up to 900 watts on sunny days. Another one is using a DC to DC charger, and that you can have it installed in your vehicle and using your alternator to charge this out. And then you can use a generator and 14.6 volts with a 40 amp battery charger. Plug that in and it'll take about 5 hours to charge this thing up. So there it is, folks. These are some of the power management systems I will be using in Sarge in the off-grid cabin. Now remember, they do have their Black Friday sale coming up from November 20th to December 1st, go to LiTime.com right up here. And I also will post the links and description in the box below. And if you want to receive an additional 15%, be the first 30 purchasers or customers using my code. And I'll post that in the links in the box below. But there you have it. If you're looking for great power management, either at home, off-grid use, in your rig, your RV, or dispersed camping, check out LiTime. They make some great products, and we want to thank LiTime for teaming up with the Semper Gumby channel to provide all this power, not only to the Sarge, but to my off-grid living. So until then, happy shopping on Black Friday. Check them out, LiTime.com.